Marketing teams use Gmelius to manage their operations directly from their inbox, where most of their work comes in. They start by using Gmail shared labels to organize emails by project or client name. With 1 click to share and 2 clicks to assign, accountability becomes easy and clear. They can use private email notes to further collaborate behind the scenes. Private email notes run in a chat-style thread on the side of each email conversation. No more CCs and forwards that clutter your inbox. The Gmelius Slack integration lets your team choose their preferred workspace. Connecting your shared labels with their corresponding Slack channels means your team doesn't have to jump back and forth between platforms. They can monitor all inbox activity without leaving Slack, from email assignments to private email notes and more. To manage agency and partner relations, marketing teams need to see the bigger picture. Gmelius gives your team that visibility with Trello-like project boards. Your team can turn emails into task cards and add them to shareable team boards in just a few clicks. This gives you a clear overview to monitor your marketing pipelines. Scaling communications is also simplified with Gmelius. Whether it's email outreach, automated follow-ups, or newsletter campaigns, Gmelius lets you automate them. You can use if this then that instructions to put these communications on autopilot. For example, if you don't receive a reply to your email in a specified period of time, you can choose the follow-up actions, from moving the email to a project board, adding a shared Gmail label, or just a quick email note. Once your automated sequence is created, you can share them with your team. Everyone can easily access both sequences and email templates directly from their familiar Compose window. Sending email campaigns is also easy with Gmelius. No need to look for an external email marketing solution. You can create, send, and analyze smart email drip campaigns directly from Gmail. Your marketing team does not need another tool. Install Gmelius and let them manage the moving parts of their team without leaving their inboxes.